Is it possible to get more reach on Instagram by fooling Instagram's algorithm? Some people suggest it can be done, and it can be done just like that. I'll tell you how. So, since 2016, as you guys know, that Instagram really adopted this method where they got rid of the chronological way of ordering posts that appear on your Instagram newsfeed, if I can call it that. And then they sort of adopted this new method where posts come in, like they appear on your Facebook profile, that they are not in any chronological order. It's just the algorithm decides which Instagram posts meet the most criteria and then show it to people. It made life really difficult for a lot of people, especially photographers, small-time photographers who don't have the money to invest in promotions in Instagram. That was done to get, I believe, more promotion. After all, they are a company and they have to earn money. But now something has appeared on the web which said that there's a very easy way where you can really trick Instagram's algorithm and get more reach and followers, more likes for yourself. I came across this article on Peter Pixel a couple of days back where someone named Mariana Avila tweeted that you can fool Instagram algorithm really easily. How? All you have to do is just use one of those Instagram filters. You know, the filters you get where you are uploading a photo on Instagram and the edit option comes that various filters which gives various effects to your photos. Now, most professional photographers, I know they don't use them because it completely ruins a photo. Now, there's lies the thing. You don't have to use the filter to change your photo. You have to really you can use it really minutely at 2 to 3% where it has no effect on your photo and get more reach for yourself, because then the Instagram algorithm will prioritize that photo and make it reach to more people. It may sound stupid. After that post came out, a lot of people tried it and said it worked. Then there were a few people who said it didn't work out for them. So does it really work? That's what we are going to look at today. So here's my Instagram profile, and as you can see, I have 256 followers, 34 following, and 87 posts. Now let me show you the usual reach I get. You can see on this post it's 163 people reached, and impression is 262. On this one it's 168 and impression is 261. Another one, this one is 173 and impression is 321. Now here is one post I made with the 2% lark filter, and look the reach I got on this one. It's 239 with an impression of 335. So 239 over the range of following reach I was getting around 160 to 180. It's almost a 33% increase in reach on this post with a filter. But don't become so happy right now, because here is one post I did with another filter. I don't remember which filter I used, but I did it with a filter. It sort of took away from the originality of the photo, but here's the reach I got. Look at it. Let it come, and here it is. It's 141. It's down from the usual with an impression of only 189. So you can see that it may work at times and it may not work at times. So tell me, use it on your photos and let me know whether it really works or not. Is it really possible to fool Instagram's algorithm like this? So I guess it's really a question that is there, that whether it really works or not. Does the filter have any role to play? I would suggest that you make a few posts using this trick and see the reach you get. If your reach increases more than usual, then it would be a good idea to use this filter from time to time on your photos at a very low percentage where it doesn't really have any effect on your photo. Now, I am sure that Instagram, if it really the case that this algorithm works, once Instagram finds out, they would tweak the algorithm and it would go away. So you can enjoy it while it lasts. Anyways, so that's it. And tell me whether it worked for you or not. Tell me in the comment section. I would love to know whether it's really true or not. It's a debate. So if it really works, enjoy it while it lasts, and get out of it as much as possible. So that's it, and hopefully you guys get something out of it and it really helps you reach your post. Now, this post may not be so helpful for people who have really low follower count like I do, but if you have say 10,000 20,000 followers, then I guess 20 to 30% increase in reach would be a lot of people, and therefore would really increase your likes and likes and engagements and followers. So that's it, and I'm going to end the video here. Stay tuned on my channel. The Rajasthan travel video and travel photography series is going on. Next up is Udaipur. That would be released 7 to 8 days from now. So stay tuned, and a lot more to come. Now, please follow me on my Instagram account. The ID would be coming up right here. No, sorry. It would be right here. Yeah. So follow me, and if you like the video, do give it a thumbs up, do comment, and do subscribe to the channel. See you till the next video.